We love that you've been invited to join a Voicedrive. There are a few ways that you can link your account to your VocaliD Ambassador's account. If you are invited to join a Voicedrive, you will receive an email invitation from your VocaliD Ambassador. From within that email, click on the link and follow the instructions carefully. If you are already voice banking and the Voicedrive Ambassador invited you to join their drive, you will be able to log into your account and accept the invitation from your dashboard by clicking Join Voicedrive. If the Voicedrive Ambassador invited you to join their drive using a different email address, please ask them to re-invite you using your VocaliD voice banking email. Once you've been re-invited, you'll be able to see the drive invite prompted on your dashboard, and you can click on Join Voicedrive. Once you've accepted and joined the Voicedrive, your accounts are linked and they will be able to see your progress. Thank you for sharing your voice.